Hi, I'm Marie. Welcome to part 2 of the Fortnite Festival charting tutorial. You're going to need SWS for this. We're doing, just outright, bluntly, we're doing tempo mapping. What you're going to do is you're going to get your song, and you're just going to, like, well, it might get a little complicated depending on what audio you have. I recommend doing an AI split stem. There's websites that'll do it for you, even though they're kind of bad quality. I have decent quality, type quality stems here that I've created using AI. I'm not creating a tutorial for that, but to be quite frank, you can do anything that will give you the results of this drum right here. Because drums are so beat driven, they lay down the beat of the song. You're going to use this to map out the song. Oh god, do I not have... Okay, so what we're going to do here is you're going to have two buttons. You're going to have tab and M. Tab will get you to the next transient, or the biggest bump in the song. So what you're going to do is you're going to press tab and then M. What we're going to do is, because this song's in 4/4, we already know that. We can just press tab once. Okay, as many times as it gets for you to say, yeah, that's the fourth beat. Listening to the song, whatever. 2, 3, 4. That's the next beat. This gets a little muddy, actually. That one's not good. Because we can tell, hey, the notes change in this specific measure right here. So we're going to press M. We're going to go to this one because we have no idea what's going on here. And we're just going to hope that this is close to accurate because I know this song's BPM. I've charted it. I know what it is. It's 120.25, but just for the sake of educational purposes, I'm going to press tab a few times to get through the song. The part that I think is the fourth beat. You're probably going to listen to this beforehand so you can get an understanding. Count 1, 2, 3, 4 till it feels natural to say 1, 2, 3, 4. And then just keep mapping it out. If it feels weird, then it's probably not in 4/4, so just keep that in mind. And I'm just going to keep pressing tab until the spot that feels like it's the right spot. Actually, no, that's not right there. That's right. And you're going to keep going. And you're going to keep going. That's also not right. That's right. So now what you're going to do is you're going... Ooh, actually, before we even fucking do anything, I cursed. You're going to go to Project Settings. This is going to pop up. Make sure it says either time or beats position only. If it says position, length, and rate, when you resize this, it's going to stretch the audio and compress the audio and do whatever the hell it wants to the audio. You don't want that. You want to select all of these by just dragging the cursor over and making sure that all these markers are up here selected. Actions, well, extensions actually, tempo, and then convert project markers to tempo markers. Press yes. Set that to 1 because we did it 1 for every measure because it got clear every measure. You might have to do something different, same, whatever. Then you're gonna click convert. It's gonna do everything for you. It's gonna set the project, not the project tempo. Yes, it will actually. No, it won't. That's just actual tempo for the part that it's in. And then you can press the metronome and it's perfectly synced up. I mean, I kind of cheated because I already knew the song. I already cheated because I knew the song. I already have it tempo mapped. I have my own chart of this song being done. For example, let me pull it up. Right here, I have it all laid out. I have it perfectly tempo mapped, so I don't have to worry about any of that. I have extra stems, so I can do everything. I have a count-in, which actually sounds really good. Sounds cool. It's accounting. I have drums here. They're all laid out. I open my preview, which I believe I discussed. Preview. If not, it's actions, show action list, new action, load script. Find the Fortnite Festival Lua, which you should have downloaded from the Fortnite Festival Discord. Add a keybind, and then you'll be good. And you can see my preview. You know the keybinds, which you can access the keybinds by pressing F1. You'll see all of the notes. Oh, shoot. I need some of these. And you'll see notes appear how they should. I hear them all. That's the next part. Tempo mapping is very important to this.